Hey guys, I'm TamillanBro.
I'm Priya.
So today we're back with another cooking video, guys.
It's a sweet recipe.
Yes, it's very sweet for you. And also, the English name is called Sesame ball, but in Tamil it's called
Ellu Paa.
Yeah, Ellu Paa is very sweet. It's like a sweet item and also healthy for you.
And it makes you strong.
It gives you muscles, yes guys. And also, the best part about it is that if you get
really
me mad, yeah, if you get me mad, I'll throw Ellu Paa.
We're just kidding.
Yes, we're just kidding. So let's get into the video, but let's show you what is needed.
She's out for
So what we need for the sesame ball is we need 300 grams of sesame seeds.
So we also need 300 grams of brown sugar, or you can call it cane sugar. We also need 150 grams of roasted urad dal flour. We also need 1 tablespoon roasted black pepper powder. We also need 1 tablespoon of roasted cumin seed powder. 6 tablespoons of hot water poured into this cup.
So now we showed you what is needed. So now let's learn how to make it. Roast the sesame seeds onto the towel.
Make sure you roast it properly. So make sure you roast it very well. So let's keep on roasting it.
Roast it for 5 minutes.
Or maybe more.
Yeah, but
until it gets
not more, or else it'll get over things. So don't roast it for over. Roast it for exactly 5 minutes so it could be roasted good.
Well, I didn't know that. So 5 minutes is almost done. So this is how it's going to look like. So make sure yours comes like this.
Yeah, totally. Make sure yours is really fried, but not that much fried. So like, yeah, it's very good. So like, yeah. This is the main ingredient for the food that we're making. Yeah. So now 5 minutes is over. So now after it's fried good, switch it over to another plate. Grab the sesame seeds to put. So we're gonna blend the sesame seeds.
Okay,
the roasted ones. Yes.
Gently.
Put it a little fast.
Not that fast. It might spill, but now it's done.
Okay, now put it over and then lock it, and then we're gonna blend it.
Make sure you put it tight.
And then we're gonna blend it. So now we're gonna blend it.
I can feel it tickling my fingers.
This could be safe. So take breaks and then blend it. Take a break, blend it, take a break like that. So you may be wondering, how much do we blend it? So you want to blend it until it's powdery, good powder.
Like this.
So like we're gonna do it one more time. See? Smoke's coming out. It up. Put this jar to the side.
It's really hot.
It's really hot, so be careful when you're touching it.
Okay, so now we're gonna put the sugar
Yeah.
gently. Can you help me?
Here.
It's more better when someone helps you.
I know, right? Especially kind. So then you want to turn it into a powder. So put the lid on top.
Can I hold
And
some
then-
of it? Wait, can I
Yes.
blend it?
Yeah, you can blend it.
Yay!
Blend it for about 5 minutes.
Until it becomes powder.
So after you're done blending the sugar, so now we're gonna put it with the sesame powder. So just take it out.
Into this bowl. Simple.
Put it inside.
Whoa! Just look at all
So
those.
good. So now we're gonna put the black pepper powder
And then mix all of it.
and then mix all of it. Here, I'll hold it to help you so it doesn't fall out.
Thanks.
And then you guys want to put the cumin powder.
And I'll spread it around.
You see the cumin powder and the black pepper powder? You can put it optionally, but we like to put it. That's why we put it in, but you don't have to put it in. Now we're gonna put the last item, which is the udon dal flour. Oh, it made a smoky effect. Now mix it very well. I'll help my sister.
You mix it. I'm too tired.
So once we're done mixing all of them together, we're gonna blend it again. The 6 tablespoons of hot water, because you need hot water to blend all of the powders and everything. So take it out and then put the hot water. Be safe, because this hot water can burn your hands.
Yeah.
Okay, put this to the side. Okay, then we're gonna do this. Hold it tight, locked it, and then blend it. Make sure to take rest, and then you have to blend it. So a reminder, you guys have to blend it for 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes like that, guys, because it's very important. The motor heat again. I'm telling you guys to remind you. After we blend it, and then we're gonna like grab it and roll it into a ball. Now it's blended, but you guys have to make sure that it's gonna be thick. The powders, everything, it has to be thick and like, how do you feel it? Like, it's gonna be very soft and thick and stuff, and a little
oily.
Yeah. So now we're gonna take it off. Here, this, and then we're gonna put it inside this bowl again.
Be careful. Wow. Looks amazing and delicious.
Yeah. So now all of it is ready. So now we're gonna grab it and roll it into a ball.
So now I'm gonna roll it into little balls with one hand. One hand is much easier. So you have to roll it into little balls like these. Make sure you roll it really well. Okay? Until it's soft. So I already did 4, so this is the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now here comes the next one. It's almost ready. And now done. 6, 7, and 8, 9. And then the next one is coming up because I'm making it. The last one is 10. So okay guys, this is finished. So the Ellu Paa is finished. So when you're making it, by the way, you have to get that oily feeling in like this.
And the thick feeling.
So it's easier to make it into circles.
Yes.
So
thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe
and we'll be your best friends.
Also like this video if you enjoyed it. Also comment. And yeah, thanks for watching guys.
Bye.